How to find all your story replies on Instagram mobile application. Sorry, I will tell you exactly how to do that on your Android or your iOS device. Before we start the tutorial, if you find this content or any of our tutorials are helpful to you, please do not hesitate to subscribe our channel. Okay, without further ado, here we go. First off, just open your Instagram application and then from the dashboard, just click on your profile. That is the navigation menu on the bottom right. Usually displays your profile picture. Just click it, and then from there, just click the top right three lines icon or the hamburger icon, and then from there, choose your activity. You will be shown this screen on the next screen. Choose interactions and then choose story replies. If you have replied to any story before, all of your replies will be listed here, but as you can see that I haven't, this thing is particularly clean, and that's pretty much how you find all your story replies on Instagram mobile application. If you find this content helpful and you wanted to see more content and tutorials like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or if you have any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, don't hesitate to put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Until next time, bye YouTube.